you're a woodworker who makes serving boards or charcuterie boards, you need to watch this short video because it has the potential to save you a lot of time, increase the quality and accuracy of your work, and boost your production efficiency. Since 2019, Crafted Elements has been the leader in providing big, time-saving silicone molds to woodworkers and resin artists. And we just released a brand new line of acrylic router templates. These game-changing templates come in a wide variety of shapes, with an emphasis on serving boards and charcuterie board handles. As you can see, using our templates is incredibly easy. Simply trace the template onto your wood, rough cut your piece, then use the template to create an exact duplicate onto your material with the help of your router and trim bit. We have templates for handles, serving boards, wine caddies, skateboards, longboards, and more. All of our templates are precision laser cut from 3/8 cast acrylic for durability and longevity. These will become a go-to tool in your shop. So what are you waiting for? Click the link now to shop the incredible collection of time-saving templates from craftedelements.com.